Hello guys, this video will show you how you can install the packages requirement.txt file. So I would like to show you that how you can install it. So first I recommend you to have a terminal, have a code editor in your computer. If you are a non-Python user, because many peoples are using this, they are not familiar with the Python. So here is the requirement.txt file, and this txt file is on the same version where my projects lie. Okay, so my projects are lie inside the same directory structure. Here is it. Let me open. Yes, this one. So same directory structure, and now I would like to install the all these requirement packages. So before this, I've opened the terminal, and I would like to run the simple command, because the requirement.txt file is present in my folder. So I would like to run this command, pip install -r requirement.txt, and you see all these packages are already installed. And please make sure when you move to any Python version, you have see this is Python 3.10. I have various basically I'm using this version, not to this is installed inside the virtual environment, and this is the second version, whether I'm using this. Okay, but for the some of the libraries are not working in the latest version of Python. Inshallah, with the passage of time I will update it. Now after installing the package, we have to go to the playwright documentation button, and playwright was installed, but you see this, you have to run this command into your terminal. Okay, so it will install all the first install the playwright as mentioned in the required.txt file, requirement.txt. Then you have to run this command and then press enter. When you press enter, it will install all the required browsers inside the playwright library. But please make sure you have to run it this piece of command on the terminal after installing the packages. Okay, once the playwright package was installed, then this command will work. I will not gonna install it because it will take time and it will reinstall, and I have already installed the required dependencies to run this project. Okay, I'm running this again, playwright install. This will install all the libraries, all the browsers required for the playwright. And playwright is used for the scraping, and I'm using in this system. So I hope guys you understand in this video how you can install this project after installing required packages. So thank you.